Hey, I'm Carly from bareMinerals, and I'm happy to share with you the new BAREPRO 24-hour Skin Perfecting Matte Liquid Foundation with Broad Spectrum SPF 20. Now available in 40 shades, this full coverage foundation evens skin tone in just 7 days. It feels so comfortable on the skin with breathable mineral pigments and, of course, skin-loving ingredients. All right, let me show you a few ways to apply this beautiful foundation.
Twist pump to unlock. Dispense onto the back of the hand. For brush application, pick up with the Luxe Performance Brush. Apply beginning at the center of the face, moving outward. Build in desired areas by pressing on additional product. I love to use this brush and the different sides of it to my advantage. Take that curve area and it fits perfectly under the eye, or that flat edge is perfect for those hard to reach spots like around the nose. To apply using the fingertips, blend onto the skin with the warmth of the fingertips, starting at the center of the face, working outward. To apply with a damp blending sponge, begin at the center of the face and press in a stamping motion onto the skin until fully blended. Use the smaller side of the sponge to get foundation in those hard to reach areas. You're left with a full coverage, natural matte finished complexion.